Hello students, today we are going to discuss the chemistry portion of JEE Mains paper 2019 which was held on 11th of January in the evening session. Let's move on to the question number 1. Now in the question number 1 he is asking given the equilibrium constant Kc of the reaction copper plus twice of Ag plus ions gives copper 2 plus ions plus twice of Ag solid is. Now what is happening? Kc is given to us. Calculate the E naught cell of the reaction and the value of 2.303 RT upon F is given 0.059. Now what we have to do? The solution of this question will be solution now. As he is asking Kc, it means that the equilibrium has been achieved. So E cell will be 0. So we can direct apply the formula E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log Kc. Right? So we have to find E naught cell, that is equal to 0.059 upon. Now you can see here in the reaction copper is losing 2 electrons to form Cu2 plus. That's why the n factor of this reaction will be 2. So 2 electrons are flown and we have to write the value of the Kc, and Kc for this reaction is given to us, that is 10 into 10 to the power 15. So it is 10 into 10 to the power 15, and when we will solve it we will get 0.472 volt, right? So our correct answer out of these options will be option number 2. So answer is option number 2, right? Let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is, among the colloids cheese, milk and smoke, the correct combination of the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium respectively is. Now cheese is a gel, right? That is liquid dispersed in solid. Milk is an emulsion, means liquid dispersed in liquid, and smoke is solid dispersed in the gas. So our correct answer will be 3. So third is the correct option. The answer will be 3, right? Let's move on to the next question. Now in this question he is asking the radius of the largest sphere which fits properly at the center of the edge of the body centered cubic cell, that is BCC. Edge length is represented by A. So let's derive the relation and find the answer. So the solution will be now we know that for BCC root 3 A is equal to 4R, right? So what we can do, we can find the value of R from here. So the value of R is equal to root 3 A by 4, right? So this is the value of R and this is the BCC. Now let us check what we have to find out actually. This is the edge length A and we have to find out the radius of this particular sphere, which it can fit in this two spheres of, two corners of the BCC unit cell. So this is A. Now, radius of one sphere is R. So this is the relation between A and R, and we have to find out that small region, the distance of that small region we have to find out. It means that the D which we have to find out, that will be equal to A minus 2R. This is A minus 2R, one radius, another radius, and it will get this small hole, small void in which this sphere is existing, right? So the value of R is equal to root 3A by 4. So you will write A minus 2 into root 3 A by 4, and that is equal to A minus root 3 A by 2. Now this is the distance, this one, or you can say that this small one, this is D, right? Now what is asking? The radius of the largest sphere which can fit. So this D is the diameter of this particular sphere. So this is the sphere and this is the diameter. What we have found is the diameter. So the radius will be A minus root 3 A by 2 whole divided by 2. And when we will solve it, we will get the answer 0.067. So the answer will be 0.067A, right? So the answer is the third. The final answer will be third, right? Let's move on to the next question.